welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another video. Today we're doing a Pretty Little Thing clothing haul. This is my first Pretty Little Thing clothing haul. The Pretty Little Thing has done me dirty. So me and Pretty Little Thing, it's like, it's 50-50, you know, it's a love and hate relationship. Because Pretty Little Thing, you have some work to do, baby. You have some work to do. Anywho, so before we move on to this video, it was brought to my attention that I should give you guys some important information, such as my measurements. So I am 5 foot. I usually wear a size small. Most of the time I get my tops in size extra small, and for the bottom I go for size small. My friend told me I should specify that because she said it would be very helpful for you guys, so shout out to her. Anywho, before we move on to this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on that bell of notification to stay updated with my videos. And without further ado, let's move on to this video. This is the first item. So I really love this one sleeve situation going on here. It fits perfectly. This is a size 0, so extra small. This is a US 0. I really love the fit. It fits very well. This is very much true to size. Here's how it looks from the back. This is definitely a hit. I really like this top. So this is the second item. This is the second top. I know it's extremely short. I really love this top. I really do. Like, it's giving, I was gonna say classy, depending on how you dress it. This could be very classy. Like, the material is very nice. The material is quite thick, you know. I really like the sleeve. It has a slit here. It has some buttons, so you can button it up right here. I don't know if y'all see it. My nails are crusty, but there's 2 buttons. You can button it up right here like this. I don't like wearing it so you can see the drawstring, so that's why I tuck it all the way up there. But I really like it. I think it's very cute and very pretty. Definitely this top, you have to dress it up. I don't see how you can dress this down with sneakers. This is a size US 2. I think it was the only size left, that's why I took it. And I don't regret taking it because I think a 0 extra small would have been too tight, because it is a little tight right here. So when I do this, it is tight. I feel like it's gonna rip apart. So size up for this top because it is kind of tight. It's kind of tight here too. It's really around the arms that it's tight, but the sizing is perfect here. So I really like it. This is definitely a hit for me. Okay, this is a 10 out of 10. I really like this blazer. I really love the color. It's really giving fall. I like the buttons, the little details. This is a nice cropped blazer. The material is very good. If you were to order a blazer, this is the quality you would be looking for. So I am very happy with that. This is a size 0. I would have to get size 2 because I don't know if y'all see it, but yeah, it's kind of tight. When I can't really move. And y'all see this? Do y'all see this? Yeah, nah. This is an oversized shirt, okay? I know it's a little wrinkled right now. That's how it came. Listen, don't judge me. But listen, there's oversized and there's big. I am 5 foot. Look at this. Do you see? Do you see this? Do y'all? Do you see what's going on here? This is a size 0. You know how dumb that sounds? This is a size 0. How is this like, why is this so big? Even if I do this, like, you can kind of, I'm gonna make it work, of course, but still, like, it's not that bad. Honestly, it's not that bad. I feel like it's the sleeves. It's the sleeves that are too long. For an oversized look, it's not too bad, honestly. I look like a scientist. I look like I'm working in a lab. You know, this is what it's giving right now. And I don't think this is what I want it to give. Overall, it's not too bad. Okay, let's not be too hard on this one. It is an oversized shirt, so it's not that bad. This is another another shirt. I feel like this summer, well, summer's over, but summer 2022, green was in style. I bought this because I really liked I liked it, and I liked the green, you know, and also because I'm not gonna lie, it was trending and I really wanted it. Okay, the only issue here is summer's over and I never got to wear it, but next summer, trending or not, your girl's gonna be wearing this. Okay, so I really like it. It's the same thing as the white shirt. It is quite oversized, and I did forget to say that the quality is very good. It's very firm. It's not see-through. I really like this material a lot. I like the color. I really like this shirt. Of course, I'm gonna wear it as an overshirt again, because where am I going like this? I bought this set of 2 crop tops. I got it in black and in white. They are size 0. It's not fitted. The quality is it's pretty good too. It's a little thick. It's really soft as well. So I really like this. These are some items that I would definitely recommend getting, especially if you're trying to rebuild your closet. These are some pieces that you would want to get. So some basic plain black, plain white crop tops, shirts. It comes in a set of 2. It's not too expensive and they're gonna do the job just perfectly. These are some timeless pieces that you would definitely need in your closet. I also got myself 2 plain skirts. It was a set as well. So I got the black one and the gray one. This is how it fits. These are size 0 as well. I think these also could be some staple basics to add to your closet. I really like them. They're very comfortable. They're not too tight, but not too stretchy as well. The material is kind of firm as well. As y'all can see, this is too small. This is a size 2, and if I sit down, it will pop. Look at how it's too tight. How is this a size 2? How? You know, my thighs are not that big. So how is this a size 2? Or does it really make sense that this is a size 2? I really love these trousers. I really do. I like the material. I love the look. I love these trousers. I'm getting this in size 4. Now, let me tell you how Pretty Little Thing got me fucked up. This is a size 4. I like it. I really do. However, how is this a size 4 and the other one is a size 2? It doesn't make sense to me. Because this, it looks like I sized 2 times up. Like this looks like a size 6. It's big. It's big, son. It's big. You see all this space? You see this? It's big. So there's a problem here, and the sizing with these trousers. Because the other one's a size 2. It's too tight. This is a size 4 and it's too big. So which size should I go for? Anyways, these trousers are very nice. It's supposed to be low rise, but I'm gonna wear it like this. And this material is a lot stretchier. Actually, the other material was not stretchy at all. This one is, it flows a little bit more. The material is very soft. The quality is very great, impeccable. Here's how it looks like from the back. We love to see it. We love to see it. This, I would say size down. I'm gonna get this one altered. Just a slight bit, because I kind of like the oversized look. So now we have this cute jacket right here. I really love it. It's very nice. Only thing, it has a very unpleasant smell to it. I don't know what it smells like. It smells like, I don't know. It just smells bad. That's all I know. This is a size 2. Let me just show you guys when I unbelt it what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. Perfect, true to size. It feels good. It's comfortable. It fits perfectly, and it's just very nice. The material is pretty solid as well. I think this jacket is very much worth it, especially that now it's fall. So yeah, I really like this. It's more on the classier side. It's a very nice jacket. I 100% recommend. As for the romper, the romper is very nice, very see-through. Well, first of all, it's too small for me. So you can see it's really see-through. I don't know if it's see-through or it's because it's too small that it's doing that. Because like it's overstretched because it is too small. I don't know. But I really like the V cut in the back and in the front. I really like that. It's a size 2 and it's really too tight and it's not stretchy at all. So I would recommend sizing up for this. I'm gonna try size 6. I think a size 6 would be perfect. But yeah, the romper itself is very nice though. It's really nice. I really like the material. But like, yeah, you gotta size up. These sizes are not really giving. The main issue I have with Pretty Little Thing is their sizes are not as accurate as it should be. I really love this dress. I really love the material. This is a size 2. I was thinking of sizing up. I feel like if I do size up, it's gonna be loose here on the top area, and I'm not risking a nip slip. We're not doing that. The sleeves are made very tight, and I do not like that at all. It's uncomfortable. Like, it's really uncomfortable. Besides that, I really love it. I love the color. I really like this little cutout situation. It's really nice. I also really love the neckline. It really is plain and simple in the back. The only thing that adds something to the dress is the cutout. Besides that, it's a really simple dress. We have this cute aviator jacket situation going on here. I really love it. I think it's very cute. Quality wise, listen, we love to see it. It's very 10 on 10 quality. Inside is so soft, and I feel like this could keep me warm during fall, because like it's fall season over here, and fall is not playing with us this year. The weather is cold. It's really getting cold, so I feel like this could keep me warm throughout this whole fall season. This is very good. It's not thin. The quality is very great, like I said before. I got this one in the petite section. This is size 2. This is what it looks like when I zip it. I think I plan on wearing it like this, but it still looks good either way. This is very true to size. I like the fact that it's versatile, because you could dress this up, you could dress this down. I really like this jacket. Last but not least, I had to get this varsity jacket. I had to get it. I think that a size 0 would fit a little better, but I feel like this is good too. It's very comfortable, and there's a lot of room to move around. It's true to size. It is possible to size down. I feel like if you do size down, it's still gonna fit. It's just gonna be a little more fitted. Not fitted, it's gonna fit a little better, tighter. So that concludes the haul, everybody. If you made it this far, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Press that bell of notification so you can stay updated with my videos, and I'll see you guys next time.